Hi there and welcome to today's class. We'll be looking at the fourth method. We'll be looking at the fourth method of the solution of differential equation. The first method is called the direct integration method, which we have done in our previous classes. Second method is called the variable separation method. We have also done that in our previous classes. Third method is called the using the idea or perhaps substituting y as being equal to vx, which is also known as solution to first order homogeneous differential equation. We have done that. The fourth method now is we're looking at the concept of solution to first order, in this time now, non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation. Now, here is what to note. When it comes to this particular one we're looking at, there's a form it comes out with. It has a form. So whenever you spot out the form, you should know that that kind of form signifies what there. You should know that that kind of form signifies solution to the first order non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation. Put on please. A first order non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation comes in the form, I said, note, a first order non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation comes in the form dy dx plus u of x y equals v of x. All right. This is the form to which solution to the first order non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation comes. So whenever you spot out any question of this format or arranged in this setting, it is said to be what the solution to the first order non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation. For this fourth method, we'll be focusing more on the idea of using what we call the integrating factor, IF. So for this method 4, for method 3, which is the homogeneous, in this case it is non-homogeneous. For method 3, it was homogeneous. That was when we said put y as being equal to what the vx and put the y over the x as being equal to what the v plus x dv dx. This was method 3. For method 4 now, the idea here is that you are using the concept of what? IF. What is IF? IF refers to what? Integrating factor. Note that IF, n/b, note that IF, which means integrating factor, is equal to exponential integral of what? U of x with respect to x. Please, integrating factor is simply exponential integral of u of x dx. Now listen and listen. This u of x you are seeing here, it's simply the term attached to y. In case you are asked to find u of x is the term attached to y. So to get u of x, check the value in front of y. That is what your u of x. I'm saying this again. Your u of x here is simply the number or term attached to y, either in the front or the back. Any value attached to y is what there is u of x. Please, very important. So for this method 4, we are using the idea of what? Integrating factor. So whenever I give a question, from the question, get u of x. How do you get u of x? Check the term attached to y. You get u of x. From getting u of x, apply what there? Integrating factor. When you apply the integrating factor, multiply the integrating factor by through the question, and then you apply the idea of or the concept of putting derivative into y dot if. That's the idea. Okay, before then, note this important thing, please. These are the steps you need to apply while solving this particular problem. Note number 2, note this please, note. Multiply the entire equation, note please. Multiply the entire equation by if. After getting if in the question, next task now is to multiply the entire equation by if, comma, the left hand side of the equation will be equal to the left hand side of the equation will be equal to the derivative. The left hand side of the equation will be equal to the derivative of the product of y and if. Of the product of y and if. Listen to English. After writing out the question, you have detected your u of x. After checking for u of x, put the u of x inside your if. After getting the value of if, multiply the equation by what? If. When you are done with that, for the left hand side of the equation, how good now? I said the left hand side of the equation will be equal to, so the left hand side, focus on the left hand side of the equation. After multiplying if through the question, focus on the left hand side of the equation. So I'm saying that the left hand side of the equation will be equal to the derivative. That becomes d over dx, means the derivative of the product of y and integrating factor. That's the concept. That's the concept. In this case, in other words, I can put this in proper form. That becomes d over dx. That's derivative into y dot indicated factor is this. That gives you exponential integral of u of x with respect to the x. This is basically the process in getting solution to first order non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation. This is how you work with this concept. So let me take you through the example we're looking at in this course. So let's look at examples. So let's write down the example we're looking at one after the other. All right, let me write down the examples. Okay, wait. So examples, please. Let's look at examples. All right, number 1. So we're looking at number 1. Dy dx is equal to, dy dx plus 5y equals exponential 2x. Number 2. All right, number 2. Dy dx, I have dy dx minus y is equal to x. Number 3. We're looking at x. Dy over dx plus 2y equals x squared minus x. Number 4, we're looking at x dy dx minus 4y, of course, let me put this in a bracket, minus 4y equals x to the power 6 minus, x to the power 6 exponential x. Number 5 there, I have x squared minus 9, perhaps plus 9, y prime plus xy equals 0. Remain 3 more. Number 6, y prime plus y cot x is equal to 2 cos x. All right. Number 7. Number 7, I have y prime plus 5y is equal to exponential 4x. Finally, number 8. I have y prime is equal to negative y over x plus 5. All right, so these are the questions we'll be looking at one after the other. So look at these questions one after the other. For today's class, we will do number 1. In our next video, we'll do others. So let's have number 1, please. Now, let's start with number 1. Now, listen and listen. Number 1 is this. If you open your eye very well, you observe that number 1, this one I'm having here, follows the original pattern of your non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation, which is this. I'm saying this. So divide the x, plus, it could be negative. So in this case, it was plus. It can be negative. So whichever sign follows, plus, u of x is 5, then y is y, equals, v of x is this, please. So you can see that this form align with this form. This is how you know how to spot out a non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation in exam. You don't have time to waste. So just check the original form with the question form. Are they aligning? If yes, proceed by using what there? A non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation. Now let's talk number 1, please. So I have verified that number 1 question is a pattern of a non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation. I haven't said this, please. Look up, please. Let's solve number 1.
Hold on. Before you continue this lesson, I need to tell you something important. If you've been struggling with studying, losing motivation, or you feel like you're working hard, but your results aren't showing, this is for you. I recently released a powerful book titled The Shortcut to Academic Success. It is a simple, practical guide that shows you exactly how to study smarter, stay focused, remember more, and achieve outstanding results without stress. This book is not theory. It's a step-by-step roadmap I created after years of teaching students and understanding what truly works. Inside, you'll discover proven study techniques, exam strategies, productivity hacks, memory boosters, and secrets top students use every day. Whether you are in secondary school, university, or preparing for any exam, this book will transform the way you learn and help you reach your academic goals faster. And the best part? It costs only 2,000 Nigerian nairas, less than the price of a snack, but the value inside can change your entire academic journey. If you truly want to upgrade your grades and finally take control of your learning, don't wait. Get your copy of The Shortcut to Academic Success today. Your future self will thank you.
Now listen, please. Solution, please. Solution. Number 1, solution. My very first task is this, please. We said this question align with the original form, no problem. Your first task is to always get u of x. Now, before I get u of x, let me chip in this, very important. Dy dx here is unity. In science, when we say something is unity, it means the coefficient of that thing is 1. If you observe now, dy dx, what the coefficient here is 1. So always ensure that the coefficient of dy dx is always 1, always unity. Please, in this case is unity, no problem, I will solve. But if it's not unity, let's say something is attached to it. Let's say a is attached to it. I'll have to divide through by a so that dy dx can be what the unity. That is, the value in front of it should be what there should be 1. That's the task there, please. All right, for this one here, we said your very first task when solving this is to get what? U of x. Of course, my u of x here will be equal to, we just said that u of x is simply the term attached to y. In this case, this is y. What is attached to y is 5. So u of x is what there? U of x is 5. That's all. U of x is 5. We have gotten u of x now. I'll now bring in the idea of what? Integrating factor. That gives you if equals what there? Exponential integral of what? U of x with respect to the x. From here, I can express if as being equal to exponential integral u of x is 5. I have 5 with respect to the x. Now, I should not be shouting at this level. By now, you should know integration. I should not be. If I want to integrate this one now, I should not expect me breaking this down again at this level. Now, this is equal to exponential, exponential. If I integrate 5 dx, what do I have? We said bring out the constant term outside integral sign first. That gives you 5 integral. I have the x here. This is now equal to exponential 5. If I integrate the x, of course I'll have x. You should know why. So therefore, if is equal to what there? Exponential 5x. So I have gotten the value of what? Integrating factor. Now check what I gave you, chief. Check. I said when you multiply through by integrating factor. So my next task now is what? Multiply through by integrating factor. So multiply by integrating factor. Multiply by integrating factor. So what's the question there? So multiply through by integrating factor. So it means the integrating factor will come here, exponential 5x multiplied by what I'm having here. That's the y over the x plus 5y. This is done. Is equal to multiply integrating factor again, exponential 5x with what there? With this one here, exponential to x. I have this one here. So expand this. Let's see. Expanding. Let's see what we get, please. Expanding. All right. Expanding, that gives you this time, this gives you exponential 5x dy over dx plus exponential 5x times 5y. That gives you perhaps that gives you 5 exponential 5xy. If I want to just arrangement, 5 come out first, then exponential x, then y if you want to. Or perhaps you can better still put 5y then exponential 5x. See the same thing. Is equal to this times this. Go back to indices. If I have a to power 4 times a to power 2, they are the same thing. Bring out 1. 4 plus 2 gives you 6. So yes, I there. When the same base are multiplying, add the power. Exponential are the same thing. They're multiplying. That gives you exponential. Then 5x plus 2 it gives you 7x. That gives you 7x. Now we said, go back to what I gave you, the note I gave you. I said multiply the entire equation by if. I have just done that now. And I said the left hand side of the equation, this left hand side of the equation will be equal to the derivative that becomes d over dx. This left hand side becomes d over the x into the product of y and if. That is y dot what there? If. So here's the idea. When you multiply through by integrating factor and you're having this here, for this one is complex. Don't stress yourself. Just attach d over the x, then y dot what? Integrating factor. Whatever it is there, this is what you apply. Just apply this concept, right? Apply this concept. It saves time. This is now equal to what there? Exponential 7x. Mind you, this is only applied after you have expanded through by the integrating factor. So the left hand side becomes automatically d over the x into y dot integrating factor. For me, it gives you d over the x into y dot if. What's if there? If 5 exponential 5x. That gives you exponential 5x equals what there? Exponential 7x. Some person will be asking me that Why is it that at this junction here, we converted everything to this? Why is it like this? Why is that everything here became this? Now, let me just show you something to note, and then after showing you, I won't show you again. Now, listen. Yes, I there. If I use product rule, this is why multiplying x plus 5x. If I apply product rule method here of differentiation, I'll have everything here. Listen. If I apply, this is why an exponential 5x, Abi. If I apply product rule here and expand this using product rule method of differentiation, my answer will be everything here. Let me show you. Quick one.
Before we continue with this lesson, I'm excited to announce that I just launched my official website, a complete learning platform designed to help you study smarter, learn faster, and access high-quality educational resources anytime you need them. On the website, you'll find several well-structured courses created to guide you step by step through the most important topics. First, we have Organic Chemistry for Beginners, a simple, beginner-friendly course that breaks down organic chemistry into easy explanations anyone can understand. Next, there are WAC and JAM classes, specially designed to help you pass your exams with confidence using clear lessons, solve questions, and exam strategies. We also have the Physics tutorial for Year 1 students, covering foundational concepts you must master in your first year of higher education. And for anyone who wants to grow online, there is a complete course on how to start, grow, and earn on YouTube using only your smartphone. This course gives you everything you need to begin your YouTube journey without expensive equipment. There is also a book section on the website where you can get all my educational books, including the shortcut to academic success. My website is now your one-stop platform for science tutorials, exam preparation, YouTube training, and learning resources that can transform your academic and digital journey. To explore all the courses and get your copy of the books, simply click the website link in the video description.
Please. So look up, please. Let's say I have y is equal to let's say I have the question is y dot exponential 5x. For product rule method of differentiation, we say this is what u, this is what v. If you recall product rule, it was v divided by the x. That was v. That's what exponential 5x. The u the x, it means I'll differentiate y with respect to x. That gives you the y over the x plus then u, and u is what y dv the x. If I differentiate the v to get the v the x, I have to differentiate this v. If I differentiate exponential 5x, that gives you, we said it's simple. Whenever I differentiate exponential 5x, differentiate the power first. That's 5x. If I differentiate 5x, I'll have 5 into, repeat the function or the question, exponential 5x. That's the tax. From here, this gives you exponential 5x dy over the x plus, bring out 5 first, then y, then exponential 5x. Observe that when I expanded this, I had this expression. And this expression is what I'm having here. See, check. Please check. Check this out, please. Check this out, please. So that is why we said apply this derivative, then product of y and its factor. Because after using this concept, after expanding this, you either go back to this. So this is what I'm having here, please. I'll show you why you should always apply after expanding through by its factor. Attach d over the x dot into y its factor. I'll show you why this works. All right. From here, I'll try to expand. So take the x here. Bring this the x here. That gives you d into y dot exponential 5x is equal to what there? Exponential 7x. Attach the x here. That gives you the x. Next task from here, I'll integrate through. So integrating through, integrating through, that gives you the integral of d into y dot exponential 5x is equal to the integral of exponential 7x with respect to the x. If I integrate d of something, the integral cancel differential. That's the concept. Look up. If I integrate the y, I will have y. If I integrate the x, I'll have x. Here's a simple idea. The integral cancel what? Differential. Y is left. The integral cancel differential. X is left. Similarly, the integral cancel differential, I have this one left. That gives you y dot exponential 5x is equal to listen and listen. How do you integrate exponential function? How do you integrate exponential function? I explained last class. To integrate exponential function, it's simple as differentiate the power. If I divide 7x, I want what? 7 abi? That 7 will be denominator. Repeat the question, exponential 7x. Then attach what? Plus c. That's all. To differentiate, to integrate exponential function, the task is simple. Differentiate the power first as denominator. Repeat the question for what? Numerator. That's all. All right. Well, yeah. Proceeding, please. Let's get y. Let's make y subject. That's our goal, to make y subject of formula. All right. From here, this gives you. Here's the start, please. I want to make y subject. I have to divide through by what? Exponential 5x. That's the idea. So divide by exponential 5x. That gives you y dot x. Sorry. Before then, please write all the steps. Divide by exponential 5x. That gives you y dot exponential 5x all over exponential 5x is equal to, this one here gives you exponential 7x all over 7 exponential 5x, attach it to this one here, plus c over exponential 5x. Divide each of them by exponential 5x. This one here will cancel this. So I'm having that y now can be expressed as, now listen and listen. Exponential 5x will cancel 7x. I'll have what left? 2x. That gives you exponential 2x will be left all over this 7, then plus c exponential 5x. This is the answer to this particular question by applying the idea of first order non-homogeneous solution to a non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation, applying the idea of IF, which means integrating factor. All right, this is how you solve this question. Let's look at example 2 in our next video. If you like this video, do it to share this video to your friend and classmates. Like this video, leave a comment, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in our next video, and welcome to Excellent Link Academy.
Before we continue this lesson, I want to share something that will make your learning experience even better. I now have exclusive channel memberships designed to help you learn faster, get direct support, and access premium content you won't find in my regular videos. The first level is the support membership. If you enjoy my lessons and want to support the channel while getting special perks, this is for you. It's a simple way to show appreciation and help me continue creating high-quality educational content. The second level is the WAC and JAM classes membership. If you're preparing for WAC or JAM, this membership gives you structured lessons, practice questions, exam strategies, and step-by-step guidance to boost your performance. The third level is the 100-level students membership. This is perfect for secondary school students who want organized, easy-to-understand lessons in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and other subjects. And finally, we have the YouTube Mastery membership. If you want to learn how to grow on YouTube, how to create content, edit videos, design thumbnails, and monetize your channel, this membership will guide you from beginner to creator. Whatever stage you are in, there's a membership designed to help you learn smarter, improve faster, and stay ahead. To join, simply click the membership link in the video description. Choose the level that matches your goals and start enjoying all the exclusive benefits. Before we continue, let me quickly share something that can change your entire online journey. I just launched a complete YouTube mastery course, a step-by-step training designed to help beginners start and grow a successful YouTube channel using only their smartphone. In this course, I break everything down in simple, practical lessons. No expensive camera, no studio, no complicated equipment, just your phone and the right knowledge. You will learn how to create quality videos, design engaging thumbnails, write perfect titles, choose the right niche, understand the YouTube algorithm, and grow your channel from zero, even if you've never created a video before. If you want to become an online teacher like me, this course will guide you on how to teach online, record lessons, explain concepts clearly, and attract the right audience. And if you want to create content in any other field, lifestyle, motivation, entertainment, business, this course will still show you the exact steps to succeed. All the lessons are pre-recorded, well-organized, and easy to follow. You can watch them at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. So, if you've been dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but didn't know how to begin, this is your opportunity. This course will take you from beginner to confident creator. The link to get the YouTube Mastery course is right there in the video description. Click it and start your YouTube journey today. Before we continue with this lesson, I'm excited to announce that I just launched my official website, a complete learning platform designed to help you study smarter, learn faster, and access high-quality educational resources anytime you need them. On the website, you'll find several well-structured courses created to guide you step by step through the most important topics. First, we have Organic Chemistry for Beginners, a simple, beginner-friendly course that breaks down organic chemistry into easy explanations anyone can understand. Next, there are WAC and JAM classes, specially designed to help you pass your exams with confidence using clear lessons, solve questions, and exam strategies. We also have the Physics tutorial for Year 1 students, covering foundational concepts you must master in your first year of higher education. And for anyone who wants to grow online, there is a complete course on how to start, grow, and earn on YouTube using only your smartphone. This course gives you everything you need to begin your YouTube journey without expensive equipment. There is also a book section on the website where you can get all my educational books, including the shortcut to academic success. My website is now your one-stop platform for science tutorials, exam preparation, YouTube training, and learning resources that can transform your academic and digital journey. To explore all the courses and get your copy of the books, simply click the website link in the video description.